Sunil, यार what happened of that Delhi campaign? Sunil.
चलो भाई रिहर्सल के लिए चलें। चलें सर, रिहर्सल के लिए चलना है।
मनवीर।
भाई वो आयशर वाली कॉस्ट देना जल्दी यार। अबे आयशर वाली कॉस्ट देना।
पार्थो।
सर वो आपकी कुंभ वाली ब्रीफ थी, उस पर कुछ एक्शन करना है।
हाय सौरभ, थैंक गॉड यू आर नॉट रोरिंग यार।
मतलब तेरे साथ भी यही हुआ है?
हाँ यार, जिसको देखो मेरे ऑफिस में, जिससे बात करूं, एवरीबडी इज जस्ट रोरिंग। आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स दिस हाउ अबाउट।
मैं तो सुबह से सबसे बात करना ही बंद कर दिया। सब
क्या
लोग
करें?
संजय सर के पास चलें?
आई थिंक वी शुड।
Yeah, no, I'll get it done. I'll get it. Don't worry. All right, see you. Bye. Yeah, what's up, guys?
मैं सुबह से बात ही नहीं कर पा रहा सर। लोग बात करने को तैयार नहीं है। एवरीबडी इज रोरिंग।
Well, I didn't get it.
I don't know what's happening. I'm coming from Ignite office, Tribes office. Everybody we talk to is just roaring.
तुम लोग को पता नहीं है? My friend, 27, 28, 29 is the great war at Rishikesh. Upasana, Saurabh, go figure out, go back, ask people, and give me a good report, huh? All the best, guys. See you.
Hi Devang. Okay, so I wanted to know, how are you feeling about this whole outbound thing? There's so much excitement in the air, and this is going to be your first outbound with us. So please let me know, what are your thoughts on it?
I'm absolutely thrilled about it and really looking forward to it.
I think it'll be real fun.
So what are your plans?
So my plans is I'm looking forward for the adventure sports, a lot of fun games. I've heard that celebrities are also coming, so I'm really excited for it.
Everybody from all the units comes together, meet together, and it's always thrilling.
क्रिकेट खेलेंगे वहाँ पे, मजे लेंगे, और मैंने सुना कैश प्राइजेस भी बहुत है। धमाकेदार लूट के लाएंगे हम।
I'm pretty excited.
About what?
पहला इवेंट है मेरा, देखना है मुझे कैसे होता है। नेक्स्ट टाइम I want to go for it.
You want to go for what? The awards?
Yes.
इस बार का हमारा इवेंट कैसा होगा?
जो आपने कभी सुना था, ऐसा होता है, ऐसा होगा, इस बार आपको देखने को मिलेगा।
There are almost 40 guys in the race. Now the last 10 laps.
वो ये निकाल के 4-5 मिर्ची लेके सीधा मुंह में डालते हैं। तो पैसे का सख्त जरूरत है।
करम जिसे पुकारे वो पहुँचे गंगा किनारे न कर मैली तो गंगा तन धोए मन तो गंदा पलट के फिर नानी बोली बात और बहता पानी न कर मैली तो गंगा तन धोए मन तो गंदा मन पावन हो गंगा में डूबे नहाए मन रावण जो लहरों में तुमने बहाए हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर गंगे गंगे हर हर गंगे हर हर
Let's go out tonight. Come on, dance, while the moon is bright.
We need to be together. आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए सारे हो करके इशारे हो लड़की हो लड़की हो लड़की आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे
Okay, so I welcome you guys for the river rafting. We have to go over the rapid. Today we are using 11 rafts and a 6 safety kayaker. Wow! Give a huge round of applause.
I'm doing this for the first time and I'm really excited. Hope it's fun and safe.
It's very amazing. I'm excited.
We've never got this time to spend across in our daily office life. This is something really cool.
बीच में रैपिड्स आने वाले, काफी रोमांचकारी होगा, मजा आएगा.
तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. Let's see, enjoy, roar.
I'd walk a million miles just to see you smile till the day I die.
let's go. It's your team.
Team Vikings. So coach and the captain are here. Hardeep, he's there. Indra.
Bogey. Out.
Sirajuddin. And Vijay Rastogi.
Mustang gets 200 points. 200 points to Lala. What is your team?
Mohsin. यार ये क्या बात है हम लोग सारे
Bogey. Minus points.
स्वरूप गुप्ता ये रहा क्या स्वरूप गुप्ता फिर कब से खड़ा है वो 4 बजे से
अभी आया है. All right, Bogey, 0 points. Zulu is disqualified because Mahesh came later. Mr.
Ajay Gupta.
Jeet. Who's Jeet? All right. Okay, Mongol gets 200 points. Clap for Mr. Lala and Sanjeev. Come on, let's go.
रेड इंडियन जो है ना टीम, वो बड़ा बुलंद वाला टीम है, जीतेगा तो वही.
फाइनल हम ही जीतने वाले हैं.
हम ही लोग जीतेंगे, आप देख लीजिएगा.
क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा.
हमारी है गोरखा और हरा के रहेगी दूसरों को, क्योंकि हमारे पास माँ है काली माँ. जय माँ काली.
सर जुलू है, तोड़ देंगे, फाड़ देंगे, बर्बाद कर देंगे. You know what's the best part with us? We have the girl power with us.
The balls which you have to pick up are the purple balls.
Right. Stop.
टफ लग रहा है कौन जीतने वाला है, लेकिन जो भी जीतेगा कंपटीशन बहुत टफ है. 2-2 टीम में टाई हो चुकी है, 4 टीम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. We'll have to wait.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We've had a lovely evening, lots of games, lots of energy and lots of passion seen over here. And now we're moving on to something which is very special, something where we are going to see what happened in year 2018. As we all know that 2018 was a very special year. We did lots of targets, we overachieved, we delivered. And to showcase what we call it, the big show-off. And to present, I'm going to call all the 3 chieftains of tribes onto the stage. But first of all, may I please invite Mr. Saibal Gupta from tribes to do the big show-off of his team. Mr. Saibal Gupta, please.
Good evening, everybody. I think we are 3-year-old, though we have 4-year born child.
Well done, everybody. I will reserve my comments for the entire proceedings of the evening. But what I want to announce is I am greatly impressed with the kind of presentation Sanjay and the team has done. I think that's awesome. Really awesome. And I declare a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees for the entire Max team who presented.
With this.
And a special prize of 25,000 to Sahu and team.
All right.
Presentation.
Can we have the entire Max team on the stage, please? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? With this, can I invite the entire tribesmen to be on the stage? Everybody from Tribes and Max to be on the stage, guys. Come on.
आज है डे 3 ऋषिकेश में हमारा आखिरी दिन। कल हम लोग ये हसीन वादियां छोड़ के वापस अपने अपने ऑफिस में चले जाएंगे। आज का दिन बहुत एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। अभी कहीं पर रिव्यू मीटिंग्स चल रही हैं, कहीं पर क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है, कुछ लोग नदी किनारे बैठ के एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, कहीं कॉफी चल रही है। लेकिन शाम को आज मिलेगा पूरे साल की मेहनत का हिसाब किताब, क्योंकि आज मिलेंगे बहुत एक्साइटिंग अवार्ड्स एंड वील ऑल कीप roaring tonight also.
Since yesterday, I have been seeing the tremendous energy that is being exuded by everyone here. What has struck me most is the attitude displayed by each and every one in this group. These mountains constantly remind me that Tribes has to climb each and every mountain each and every day, and I'm sure with this kind of energy they will climb every peak. I wish them all the best.
You're bonding and knowing each other, you're knowing each other's strengths, you're celebrating each other's success, you're celebrating each other's achievements and planning to grow. I think it's a fabulous bunch of people, men and women, and the energy levels are extremely high. And a team which is so strong can only grow and grow and grow and, you know, soar the skies and fly like a bird.
Good evening and welcome to the Stars of the Night. The stage is set and the audience is coming in. The men are looking dapper in their suits and the ladies brimming in their beautiful gowns.
और सब लोग बहुत उत्साहित और उत्सुक हैं, क्योंकि आज की शाम मंच पर मिलने वाले हैं बहुत ही दमदार इनाम और इसके साथ कुछ शानदार परफॉर्मेंसेस भी।
So without much ado, let's start the Stars of the Night Events Award.
और प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाएंगे मंच से मिस्टर संजय शुक्ला एंड मिस्टर AR रहमान। तो चलिए चलते हैं ट्राइब्स के नाइट ऑफ द स्टार्स में।
So guys, finally we've come to the evening which everybody waited for, the Night of the Stars. The entire years you guys performed and are looking forward for this evening. There will be winners, there'll be big winners, and there'll be colleagues who'll be clapping for them. May I invite AR Rahman on the stage to take us through, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is our night and it's the night of the stars. You are the stars. Celebrate karte hain, masti karte hain. But right now, I'm going to welcome a very talented dance group. They're going to start off this evening with a lot of energy. Please give a big round of applause as we present on the stage, Zenit! Ladies and gentlemen, इस dance के बाद we got the super talented guy from Mumbai. He's a mind reader and he can tell things which you can't even think about. Please give a big round of applause for the super talented from Mumbai City. Let's give it up for Mohit Rao.
Welcome to a show unlike anything you've ever seen before. On your tables, there should be a chit of paper. A chit of paper, if you guys can see, that has something written on it. If you find it, just put your hands up. And the part that has the question, fold that in half and half again. And I'm going to come and collect that part with the question now. Go ahead, put it in. Okay, now if you have given me your chit, I want you to stand up. I'm going to empty out all your chits into this bag. Now the part that is in your hand, it has a 3-digit number on it. Can you memorize that number? And give me the chit now. Okay. If I call out your number, can I request you to stand up? Number 248. Your name begins with the letter M.
Manika.
Interesting name. I'm going to try and get your bank account number also.
Okay.
Think of the phone numbers in your head.
Done.
4-digit number. 5850.
No.
Oh, sorry. I got it wrong. That's your cell phone number.
Right.
Last 4 digits of your cell phone number, 5850.
Yes.
Bank account number given by the bank or you said it?
No, given by the bank.
Imagine you're entering the number into your check.
Done.
Starts with a small number, 4.
Yes.
Second digit, the same, 4.
Right.
Okay, if I get this right, your bank account number is 4435.
Absolutely right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to get on with the awards. And first up, we're going to go on with the best monitoring support. And the winners are, please give a big round of applause for Naresh Kumar, Jeet Prakash Das, Hanok Jutake, Akhil, Sujit Chaudhary, Baya Reddy, Rajiv Kumar, Akash, and Rajendra Kumar. In sab ke liye zordar taaliyan, all are winners. Best monitoring support. And our next category is Best Finance Support. Please welcome our winners, Shailendra and Jagmohan. Zordar taaliyan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Best Finance Support for Ignite. And the winner is Vijay Kumar Rastogi. Zordar taaliyan. Congratulations. Let's go on for the next category, Best Finance Support in Max. And the winner is Anil Putran. Fantastic. Congratulations. Aage badhte hain. Let's go on for the next category. It's Best Operational Support. And the winner is... Please give it up for Amit from Tribes. And ladies and gentlemen, the Best Operational Support in Ignite. Please give it up for Pranab Kharote. Let's go on for the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Best Operational Support in Max. And the winner is Pradeep Nagar. All right. Many congratulations. Let's go on for the next one. It's the Best Media Buying Person of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go on for the Tribes. देवियों सज्जनों स्वागत कीजिएगा विनर का ट्राइब से मनोज. Let's give a big round of applause. All right, let's go on for the next one. Is the Best Media Buying Person of the Year. Ignite. The winner is Chaitanya Joshi. All right, the next category is the Best Media Buying Person of the Year. It's Max. And the winner is Bhaskar Pandey. Let's go on with the Best Creative Support. And Tribes say the winner is Akash. And we go on for the Best Creative Support in Ignite. Please welcome the winner, Nikhil Mutreja. And for Max, the Best Creative Support is Falguni.
It's very exciting and I'm very happy for this award. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Zenith to come on the stage and give you a nice dose of Bollywood. Let's get ready. Please welcome Zenith. इस ठंड में भी कितनी आग लगाई इन लोगों ने। अब एक और गोवा का शेर है जो यहाँ पे आके आग लगाने वाला है। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन तैयार हो जाइए। प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर गोवा की शान। लेट्स गिव इट अप फॉर वेंडल।
Gentlemen, I'm going to teach you limbo dance. Believe me, इतना आसान है.
Flying to Montego Bay. Let's go to Jamaica. Maybe find a hideaway.
Not यहाँ से move. La la la. Oh, brilliant. Oh, कितना आसान है.
Anybody hairy here? Anybody hairy? Yeah, he's sitting down right over there. Ball hai.
I was like you. Look at me now. It's all gone. Phil Samba. कितने बाल है? बहु सरकार पूरा चला दो. A 1, a 2, and hey, Mogambo Kusho, guys, really brave. Come on, cheer him up. That's really brave. Woo! In fact, ladies, I can do waxing. Ladies, if you do one leg, you get the other leg free. Blow it off. Got it? No, not on me, okay? Little mouth this side. Blow it off. Joseph. Got it? Forget it. See, it's not okay? Awaj, okay, awaj. Sound. Sorry. Oh, God. There we go, Manish. I hope you're all watching him, okay? Nobody can do this. If Manish does it, Pagalo Jao. Now, Pagalo Jao means applaud, whistle, do what you like, okay? There we go, Manish. Is your camera ready? Camera. Okay, Manish, go. No, Joel say it. One shot. If he does it, if Manish does it, he's not Pagalo Jao. Pagalo Jao. Sorry, Manish, okay? Go right. If he does it, Pagalo Jao, okay? Go. Woo! That's the best blow of the evening. Yeah, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, incredible. That was so much fun. Yeah, he speaks so well. He's like a master of what he does. And we're going to go on for our next set of awards. And we're going to start off with the first one. It's the Young Business Person of the Year. Please give it up for the winner, Anuj Banerjee. Zordar taaliyan for Anuj Banerjee. Okay, let's go on for the next one, Ignite. And the winner is... Let's give it up for Abhishek Dangwal. And we're going to go on for Max. And the winner is... Dubey ji ka swagat kare. Please give it up for Nidhi Dubey.
So how does it feel to be recognized at this early in your career?
I feel happy like anything.
All right, let's go on for the client servicing mid-level. And in Tribes, the winner, please give it up for Garbita and Deepankar. Very well done, Talia. All right, let's go on for Ignite, client servicing mid-level. Joint winners, Surekha Roy, Devasmita Chanda, and Manveer Singh by Ignite. Let's give them a big round of applause. Okay, let's go on for Max. And the winner is Manpreet Kohli, Karan Jawalkar, and Hardeep. Zordar taaliyan. Let's go on for the next category, client servicing senior level. All right, and it's Ignite. And the winner are, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mahesh More, Sumir Handu, and Upasna Pokhriyal from Ignite. Congratulations, joint winners. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Max Made Line Servicing Senior Level. And the winners are Jaisal, Saurabh Kumar, and Jaideep Bhatt. Let's go on for our next category. It's the NBT Person of the Year. And the winner is Deepankar. Let's give him a big round of applause. Let's go on for the next one. It's Ignite. And the winner is Swaroop Gupta. Let's give him a big round of applause. All right, let's go on for the next category. It's the same category, but different division. It's for the Max. And the winner is Natasha. Give me a party. Let's give a big round of applause. Natasha Arora. All right, let's go on for the next one. Star Performer of the Year, mid-level. And the winner is Swaroop Gupta. Let's give a big round of applause for Swaroop Gupta. All right, our next category, or rather the same category in Max, the Star Performer of the Year mid-level. The winner is Shiny. Talia. Star Performer of the Year, Senior Level, and in Tribes, we have no nominees, but the winner, please give it up for Manika. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go on for Ignite, and the winner is Indra Vikram Singh Parihar. Let's go on for the next one. It's the Star Performer of the Year, Senior Level, Max, and the winner is Manish Kalra. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, and now I'm going to present to you an actor who needs no introduction, a guy who actually is the definition of stand-up comedy. बहुत ही कमाल के artist हैं. Devyus Sajano, please give a big round of applause for the man, Suresh Menon.
अच्छा लग रहा है आप सब लोग यहाँ पर है और wonderful to see all you lovely gentlemen dressed in suits. हम लोग बचपन में मृदंग बजाते थे, you know. तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम दुर्गदाम 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 तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम दुर्गदाम. मैंने सोचा इस तकत्ते तकदम में सेलिब्रिटीज की वॉइसेस निकलेगी. सचिन तेंदुलकर तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तक अभी तक नहीं तका. नाना पाटेकर तेरा तकदम मेरा तकदम तकत्ते तकदम तकत्ते तकदम. तनुश्री दत्ता उसके बाद में बहुत तकदम. पापा ताकती ताके जाऊं ताकती ताके जाऊं ताकती ताके जाऊं पापा ताकती ताके जाऊं. बेटा अगर तुझे और एक हिट नहीं मिला तो वाकई मैं थक जाऊं. So I was in Dehradun and I saw this guy who was doing the famous Indian pastime. You know what Indian famous pastime is? Indian men ka searching the forest. I did a whole research. I saw a lot of communities doing it differently, you know. Like Punjabis बड़े बिंदास होते हैं. वो डरते हैं आप आ तो यार मानो कह रहा था उस दिन यार मैं चला गया तो वहां पे यार. मुंबई में महाराष्ट्रियन जितना उनका खुजाते रहते उनका एक्सप्रेशन भी इतना भयंकर हो जाता है. मक्का है. Bengalis are slightly more poetic. কিছু করবে না দাদা কেমন আছো हम तो सिर्फ डिस्को में नाचो. एक तो रसगुल्ला दो तो रसगुल्ला. हम साउथ इंडियंस ना अलग होते हैं, बिंदास करते नहीं है. So what we do is now we'll try and distract you all. If you can see the सप्तऋषि सब होता है. सब ऊपर देखेंगे. जब सब ऊपर देंगे तुरंत. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for having me over here.
Okay, let's go on, and here is for Tribes. The winner is Nokia Projection at T2 Cities. Let's give them a big round of applause. All right, we love the energy, and let's go on for Ignite. All right, it's time for the winner. Let's give it up. Osram Degilis, Sodar Talia. All right, let's go on for the next one. It's the Odisha Award, Performance Beyond the Call of Duty. Please welcome for Ignite. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Vipin Kumar. Congratulations, Vipin. And Performance Beyond the Call of Duty in Max. Please give it up for Vivek Asthana. Okay, Vivek Asthana ke behalf pe le rahe hain. And Vivek, this is for you. Love you, man. Love you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go on for the Campaign Innovation of the Year. And this is for Max. And please give it up for Abhishek Bhatia and Vishwajit Phillips, Rath Yatra. Let's go on for the next one. Is the Best HR Support Award. And this is for Max, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a big round of applause for Karen DeMello and Urvash Saxena. Fantastic, very well done. Congratulations. Come on, everybody. All right, we're going to do the award, but before that, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a dance which we'll do from Zenith, and uske baad hum ek award karne wale hain. Let's give a big round of applause for Zenith.
सिर्फ तेरा ये जरूर है, तेरी नजर का कसूर है। अब पास तू क्यों दूर है, ये इश्क का जो फितूर है, नशे में दिल तेरे चूर है।
All right, let's go on for the next set of awards, ladies and gentlemen. And we've got a couple of awards first. First one is the Mirchi Competition Award winner. Please welcome Viplav. The next award is the Best Photography Award. And Best Photography Award, please welcome the winner, Upasna, Abhishek Mishra and Jairam Nair. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it's the big one. It's the Business Person of the Year. The winner, Lala Ji Mujhe Maaf Kar. Please welcome Prosenjit Lala. Our debut on Sajano. Now it's the time for the Business Person of the Year, Max. And the winner is Ankit Seth. Taaliyan ho jaye Ankit ke liye. Come on, everybody.
It's just because of the team that I've been winning this again and again. This is like the second time in the row that I've won this.
Okay, now it's time for us to go to next category. It's the Business Team of the Year. And the winner is... Please give it up for West Experiential! Okay, now it's the winner, Business Team of the Year. Ignite is... Please give it up for the Retail Team! Alright, let's go on for Max. And the winner is... Please give it up for West Experiential! The winner for Ignite Best Branch of the Year. Please give it up for South. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the winner, the Best Branch of the Year at Max is... Let's give a big round of applause, IDC!
Big round of applause for Ravi Subramaniam and Ajay Gupta, ladies and gentlemen. This is a special award for the France head.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go on for the final set of awards, please welcome one more time Zenith with another performance called as Machan. This is the most special awards and I want everybody, guys, this is the grand finale. मैं चाहूँगा कि एक बंदा बंदी यहाँ पे जो भी है, everybody is going to applaud to this one, all right? Please give it up, Naresh ko CB Shine मिलता है. Let's give him a big round of applause.
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्लरानी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली
Please give it up for Pranab Harote.
The man of all seasons, the guy who's been there for a while in the company, in the honor and recognition, and also great work, the big boy of Ignite. Give it up for Inder Parihar.
All right, congratulations on Dream Bike.
ये बात कितना कितना सामान लेके जाओगे भाई, क्या क्या लेके जाओगे?
थोड़ा सा ऊपर चला गया है ऑलरेडी एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. वी हैड won so many trophies today and this is our year. I'm very proud to say that the entire team has done very well.
Inder, congratulations यार, कमाल है.
एक कम है, अभी ऊपर और रखा है, अगले साल और आएगा.
This is the next one, guys. Each one of them get a duster to take home.
Please give a big round of applause for Jaydeep.
I was very shocked that I got this award, but I'm really overwhelmed and happy to receive the award, and this is the biggest appreciation which I got.
The next one who's gonna get a duster is, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Ankit.
There are two people whom I need to thank. It's Mahesh and Reddy, who've been with my team always.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our next winner is, let's give it up, Natasha.
No, it was a simple hard work. The idea was very clear. Completely like 1.5 years. Idea was very clear. Just to keep your best foot forward and leave no stone unturned and do whatever it takes.
And we've got another winner coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Ashish. Ladies and gentlemen, there's another prize, another special one. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Abhishek.
The next one is the big one. We got 2 Jeep compasses to give out.
Please give it up, Mr. Batra.
How does it feel, sir? How does it feel?
Unexpected.
Seriously?
Seriously.
So,
I didn't expect that.
So what makes you get this award? क्या आपको लगता है कि क्या गया इस साल, क्या खास गया इस साल कि आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे?
मैं तो पिछले 3 साल से, जब से स्टार्ट हुई ये कंपनी ट्राइब्स, तब से ही हूँ उसका. लेकिन कंपनी ने अभी रिकॉग्नाइज किया है, अच्छी तरह से रिकॉग्नाइज किया है, पूरी तरह से ठोक बुझा के दिख दिया मुझे. उसके बाद मुझे ये अवार्ड दिया.
Are you excited? Are you delighted?
Yeah, I am totally excited.
ये किस पंटर को मिल रहा है, आप उनको मालूम है? जो गेस करेगा ना, अरे एक ही तो पंटर है साला.
Please give it up, ladies and gentlemen, Chief Baji.
I want to thank each one of you, everyone, from my team to Sanjeev ji, who would give me briefs, to Rahul, to everyone, my mother, especially my mother. Thank you so much.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, last segment, pop off all the awards. This is BMW 3 Series.
Please give it up, Sanjeev.
Give it up for Sanjeev Mishra, guys.
भाई साहब, ये साइकिल से BMW तक का सफर बेहतर यही होगा कि जिक्र मोहब्बत न छेड़िए. बिगड़ गया तो फिर बनाया ना जाएगा.
Well, we have the last on the car series.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up, Abhishek Sahu.
I'm thankful to Gaur and Sanjay for giving me this opportunity to lead the fantastic team, and I'm sure that I'll not let them down, and this is a great motivation.
Well, there's one award, guys. This is an award for dedication, hard work, passion. Our simplicity man, Partho Ghosh. Ladies and gentlemen, he gets a check of 16 lakhs. This is a company by the people, for the people. All you have to do is believe in yourself, believe in your company, and believe in your leadership. And this is how you get rewarded.
I'm fortunate to be a part of this team. Well, it's not a team anymore, it's a family. We've been together for the last 17, 18 years now. Thank you, everyone.
Lots of final words.
Only one word for the entire team who put on this show for the last 3 days. Completely awesome. And I'm completely overwhelmed. I don't know what to say, but I can tell you I've been coming here for the last 18 years. This place has so much of energy, so much of positivity. Whenever I go back with a lot of conviction and a lot of confidence. I have not stopped coming to this place. There have been times when I was working in my previous companies that we were told that, we cannot go, but we made it a point. Even if the company did not allow, we made it a point to come here. And I hope we are going to continue this till times immemorial. What I would also like to say, the entire team of Tribes, Ignite Mudra, they've all contributed to whatever little success we've achieved till date. But 2018 and 19, I must declare as the year of Sanjay and Max. It is a great feeling when you get rewarded and awarded after you put in the hard work, given you 100%. And I'm sure all of you who've been awarded today and rewarded today are feeling the same. And I'm sure people who have not are going to work extra hard to ensure that they are on the podium next time when we come here. So finally, whatever gift or whatever award or reward you give people, end of the day does not matter unless you give him respect. Okay? So what I saw here for the last 2 and 3 days is that everybody had mutual respect for each other. Tremendous amount of admiration, tremendous camaraderie between everybody. That's what it is needed for any company to be successful, and I can see that we have it here, and in days to come, we are going to build on it, consolidate, and move forward. Finally, everybody has been waiting for this, and I would request to bring down the finale to the great night that we had tonight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Tribe's Person of the Year, Sanjay Shukla. Let's give him a big round of applause. And a brand new BMW 5 Series. Whoa! Sanjay Shukla sahab, incredible. आपने जो कहना तो बोल दिया, but I have to tell you this. This must be like an incredible feeling. You must be on top of the world.
Well, this is all for the team, the entire tribesmen. और जो प्यार मुझे मिला यहाँ पे, that's amazing. Trust me. I thought I lost the battle in 2016, but thank you, Mr. Gupta. Thank you for supporting. Thank you.
It's been exciting. We've had quite a bit of a journey here. This is like really very overwhelming.
It's been a great evening. We won 4 awards as a team.
No words. Thank you and thank you.
It's been a show which was bigger, better, and definitely it's going to roll on for years to come.
The event was awesome. Everything was awesome.
It was awesome. Filmy event.
I'm looking forward to a Jeep Compass or a BMW next time.
I'm really happy for this.